5 things you need to know today before the markets open with voxmarkets.co.uk.
It's Thursday, the 4th of March 2021 at 5. Casino giant Las Vegas Sands is selling its world-famous Venetian casino in a $6.25 billion deal to invest the money in its Asian business. The sale comes just 2 months after the death of Sands Chief Executive Chairman Sheldon Adelson. At 4, the amount the government has to spend on state pensions will fall by $1.5 billion by 2022. Partly because of over 65s dying of COVID, forecast suggests. The government will also receive an extra £900 billion from inheritance tax, partly due to COVID-related deaths. At 3, Amazon opens a till-less grocery store in London later today, its first just walk-out shop outside the US. Visitors to Amazon Fresh can scan a smartphone app when entering and are automatically billed as they leave. At 2, critics have said budget measures did not go far enough to address the scale of challenge of climate change. Chancellor Rishi Sunak announced a change to the Bank of England's remit as part of green measures in the budget. He also confirmed an infrastructure bank to invest mainly in green projects. And at 1, the UK's tax burden is to rise to its highest level since the 1960s, the Office for Budget Responsibility has said, after the Chancellor set out plans to repair the nation's finances. Rishi Sunak used budget to extend the furlough scheme and increase universal credit payments, but taxes on large company profits will rise in 2023 and 1.3 million more people will start paying income tax. For more details on any of these stories, visit voxmarkets.co.uk.
5 things you need to know today before the markets open with voxmarkets.co.uk.